Ocean Reef Club, Key Largo Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Ocean Reef Club Key Largo isn't just a vacation resort, you won't believe the range of amenities it offers. Most people get this wrong by thinking membership is only for luxury seekers, but the surprising truth is that the club's pricing delivers a mix of exclusivity, recreational opportunities, and lifestyle benefits. Membership starts around €0 for initiation, with annual dues ranging from €0 to €0 depending on the tier. Most people overlook that this grants access to private golf courses, marinas, tennis courts, pools, and multiple dining options. Beyond recreation, the club hosts social events, educational programs, and wellness facilities that create a community experience unlike any standard resort. For those who value privacy and long-term access, the club's pricing includes real estate benefits and priority reservations. You won't believe how much this enhances vacations, as members often bypass crowded tourist areas and enjoy curated experiences. In conclusion, Ocean Reef Club Key Largo's pricing reflects both tangible amenities and intangible lifestyle benefits. For families, retirees, or active professionals seeking a combination of recreation, community, and exclusivity, the membership fee can offer exceptional value. It's more than a resort, it's a private community designed to elevate your leisure time.